When it comes to men's health, especially for those over the age of 50, the internet is full of warnings, rumors, and so-called miracle cures. One of the most persistent viral rumors claims that eating a certain fruit could spell disaster for men's sexual health, specifically by ruining erections forever. Videos and articles with flashy headlines warn men to never eat this fruit if they value their vitality. But is there any truth to this alarming claim? Or is it just another example of misinformation running wild on social media? To uncover the facts, let's take a closer look at what these viral warnings are actually referring to. The fruit at the center of this controversy is almost always grapefruit. Grapefruit is a common breakfast fruit, praised for its tart flavor and high vitamin C content. Yet in these videos, it's portrayed as something men should fear if they care about their sexual performance. What's the real story? Is grapefruit truly an enemy to men over 50, or is the truth more nuanced? Recent advances in artificial intelligence have made it easier than ever to sift through mountains of medical research to separate fact from fiction. AI-powered fact-checking systems can compare clinical studies, analyze biochemical pathways, and cross-reference data to provide a clear, evidence-based answer. Here's what the analysis reveals. First, it's important to state clearly, there is no fruit, including grapefruit, that kills erections or causes permanent erectile dysfunction just by being eaten. This dramatic warning is simply not supported by science. In fact, many fruits are beneficial for overall health and can even help improve blood flow, which is essential for sexual function. So why does grapefruit get such a bad reputation in these viral warnings? The answer lies in how grapefruit interacts with certain medications, not in any inherent danger from the fruit itself. Grapefruit contains compounds called furanocoumarins, which interfere with an enzyme in the body known as CYP3A4. This enzyme plays a crucial role in breaking down many medications, including some commonly prescribed drugs for erectile dysfunction, like sildenafil, known more widely by its brand name, Viagra. When you eat grapefruit or drink grapefruit juice, these furanocoumarins can block the action of CYP3A4. This interference means that medications that rely on this enzyme for proper metabolism may not be broken down as they should be. As a result, the drug can build up to higher levels in your bloodstream, or, in some cases, may not be absorbed effectively at all. This can either increase the risk of side effects or make the medication less effective. For men over 50, this is especially relevant. As we age, it's common to be prescribed medications for a variety of health conditions: blood pressure, cholesterol, and, for some, erectile dysfunction. Many of these medications, including ED drugs, are processed by CYP3A4. If you're taking one of these medications and consume large amounts of grapefruit or grapefruit juice, you could experience unexpected effects. For example, if the medication is not metabolized properly, it may not work as intended, or it could cause side effects like headaches, flushing, or even more serious issues. But it's important to put this risk into perspective. Grapefruit does not kill erections. It does not cause erectile dysfunction on its own. The concern arises only when grapefruit is consumed in significant quantities, alongside medications that depend on the CYP3A4 enzyme. For most people, eating half a grapefruit now and then is unlikely to cause problems. However, if you're taking certain medications, especially those for ED, it's wise to talk to your doctor or pharmacist before making grapefruit a regular part of your diet. It's also worth noting that not everyone is equally affected by this interaction. Genetics, the amount of grapefruit consumed, and the specific medication in question all play roles in determining how significant the interaction might be. That's why personalized advice from a healthcare provider is always the safest approach. If you're concerned about your sexual health and looking for foods that can support good blood flow and erectile function, there's encouraging news. Many fruits have been shown to benefit vascular health. Watermelon, for example, contains an amino acid called citrulline, which may help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, are rich in flavonoids that support heart and vascular health. Grapes contain antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and support circulation. These fruits, when included as part of a balanced diet, can contribute to overall well-being, including sexual health. Another important factor to remember is that erectile dysfunction is usually the result of underlying health issues, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, or psychological factors like stress and anxiety. No single fruit or food will make or break your sexual health. Instead, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, sufficient sleep, and managing stress, plays the most significant role in supporting erectile function as you age. In summary, the viral warnings about grapefruit and men's erections are based on a partial truth that's been distorted by sensational headlines. Grapefruit can interfere with the body's processing of certain medications, including some prescribed for erectile dysfunction, by blocking the enzyme CYP3A4. This interaction can reduce the effectiveness of the medication or increase the risk of side effects. However, grapefruit itself does not cause erectile dysfunction. The real risk lies not in the fruit, but in the potential for drug interactions. If you're over 50 and taking medications for erectile dysfunction or other conditions, it's wise to consult your doctor before consuming large amounts of grapefruit. Your healthcare provider can advise you about potential interactions and help you make informed choices about your diet. Don't be misled by dramatic claims and fear-mongering. The truth, as revealed by careful analysis of medical data and confirmed by advanced AI tools, is far less alarming and much more empowering. By understanding the real risks and benefits, you can make choices that support both your health and your quality of life. So enjoy your favorite fruits, focus on a healthy lifestyle, and always seek advice from trusted medical professionals rather than relying on viral scare videos. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to your health, the truth matters far more than internet myths.